Oh! Got the tree! Oh!
Oh no.
On his wheels? Yeah! Right guys, Cambridge RC. Now, we don't know the sledges, probably one of the quickest racing trucks that Traxxas do, but is this track too bumpy for them? Are the jumps going to be any... Will they take the jumps? We don't know. This could be crash and burn, or they could be excellent. We don't know. Let's see what happens. He's now doing tuning on it.
Well, it's a rougher track than we used to. I think
won't
they need a bit more
roll
ground
bars
clearance.
off mine. Go on, wind it up all the way.
Not all the way.
Right, let's see if we can drive it up here and back.
The fronts are already on the maximum.
Oh, are they?
Oh no. Oh no.
What have you done? You're usually the one that does loads and loads of maintenance.
Oh, I've got a problem now. I might have just done the sledge for a second. Oh no.
What have you done?
I've accidentally unwound the shock body from the shock head. Okay. So let's
Right guys, so that tuning didn't work very well, did it, Matt?
No.
We pulled the shock to bits.
Accidentally. All right, here we go. I've now got less shock oil than ideal, but we'll just have to go with it.
I think there's enough in there.
Yeah.
Come on then, you ready?
Yep.
Infield, yeah?
3 laps infield.
Hang on, we're going the opposite way to what we just tested.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Oh. Which do you want to do?
Oh, we'll just go this way.
All right. 3 laps.
3, 2, 1, go.
Feels so light compared to the XRT.
So light and nimble. Oh.
Can't believe it.
The first walk of shame is to the blue
Can't
truck.
believe it. It's so...
When it falls over like that, you just want to will it back onto its wheels.
Because of the...
Come on then, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go, right, infield, yep. So we've got a
infield.
left. What is it? No, it's a right there, isn't it? Oh. Oh, we both jumped that nice, didn't we? Oh, he's going to go all around the outside. Yes, he did. Nice. Brake into there. Oh.
Back on the track.
Back in it. I don't know. I think I've turned the TSM off completely on this.
Try not to do what you did.
Tempting to come onto that straight faster than you want to.
Yeah.
Well, faster than you should.
Straight. Here we go. Fine.
Oh, I didn't clear it far enough.
Oh, almost looked like a head-on.
I was on the wrong side of the track. Oh, God, coming to that too tight. I think he's got this one. Oh no, we've got another lap, haven't we?
Another lap, yeah. I could easily crash. Or you could.
Got the tree!
Into the tree!
Got
Impressive.
the tree!
Extra points for those.
I don't even know what happened. I landed the jump. Yeah, he's got it, I think. He's just...
Well, you say that, you're just trying to jinx me, aren't you?
Yeah, of course I am. Here we go. Let's make some time up over this. Oh, that was nice. I cleared it. Okay. Might just... I'm so tentative over those jumps.
Just to ramp it.
Right, here we go.
To the moon.
This is where I hit something.
Oh, there's a big old hole in the road.
Sorry. There is. That's what I hit the previous time.
That was pretty much joint on the line.
Yes,
there was a lot of cheating for the last few corners.
There was quite a bit of questionable lines, yes.
Yes. That's
if
close.
we had the FIA involved, there would be some corner cutting incidents there, I think.
Yeah.
Track limits, you should say.
Yes.
Should we have another go that way?
Yeah, that was good fun. There's a massive hump down there. I'm going to take it slower because I obviously hit what you hit.
I nailed it over the jump. Thought landed a jump, go for it.
Yeah,
and these
and
they can't take those bumps.
Well, not with the low suspension.
No.
And perhaps if you had bigger tyres too, that would help.
That might help. Let's have another go.
Set up different.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it turned in so well. These are good. Oh my God.
Someone was getting brave over those jumps. Oh, on it. Oh.
This is crazy.
I landed it and it just kicked up on me.
Oh!
Oh, we both jumped that nice. We almost stop on the apex.
Yeah, well, you
there.
got it really. It's off camber.
Right, where's that bump?
I don't know, somewhere around there, but I missed it.
That's
thankfully.
nice. I don't really know where the apex or the corner of that is.
Oh.
I think we both went inside. Then you've got to be careful down here because you go wide like that and you nearly.
Oh yeah, I'm trying not to hit the wall again.
Oh, he's got a gap. I can't see my truck.
Oh, that was nice. Nice and flat.
I think. Oh, come on, right. Lots of concentration, not lots of talking going on this, I'm afraid.
Oh, I landed. I thought I was okay, and then I
What
ended
happened?
up. Hold on. I
You
landed.
landed and
I
it
landed
bounced
two
round.
wheels on the other track on the jumpies.
Come on then. Now there's a big bump here somewhere.
Yeah. Daren't go too fast down
Sorry,
there.
I might have cut that. I don't even know where the corner here is. Oh, it's there. Actually, we all
Right
move
there,
those.
where I am. That's the apex.
Ah, yeah.
Just leaving it open for me, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Get your foot down a bit there, nice, which is good.
You got that nice, yeah. Oh, he's pulled a load of cat.
Oh! I used the wrong job.
Did you use the wrong jump?
Yeah.
Ah.
I didn't shortcut anything. If anything, I would say it's longer. Oh no.
Oh. On his wheels? Yes. I was actually just watching.
I know. Thanks for waiting. I'm still going.
Oh, I've got the bump.
I'm going wide on that one now to miss the bump.
Yeah, I might come the wrong side.
Leave it on the inside.
Right. Is that the last lap?
It is.
He's got it.
Wow.
I mean, there was some questionable lines again. Should we go the other way around then? Right. So we'll go this way now, yeah?
Yep.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, really?
Whoa.
Yeah. There was no racing lines on that one, was there?
Ah. No.
Right, this is nice and dusty.
Keep giving him the apex.
You did give me the inside line, but there's not really enough space to do anything about it. Yeah. I was slowing down.
You
for the
didn't go where
corner.
I expected you
Kicker.
to. Oh, that's a big one for a sledge.
That is, you can feel it. You can hear it bottoming out. Oh.
Oh, I did the two wheels off thing, but got away with it.
I don't like where it goes dark there. Oh, do the oval?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I nearly rolled it on sideways. It's quite rough in the middle for these.
It is.
So it
is quite rough for these, you're right.
You've got to be careful. Whoop.
Oh, you'll be so neat and tidy around that. Here we go, right, here we go. Kick up. Oh,
that was nice.
Nice big jumps there from both of us. This is, oh no, I haven't got the speed up now. Oh, you did.
Oh.
He's on his wheels?
Yes. I'm just waiting to find out. Last lap.
Last.
Ah,
Yeah, you came in there pretty damn quick.
Got to try and catch up. Got to get on the apex, haven't I? I didn't actually cut the corner. You must have been super wide. Oh, you did what I did.
Tit for tat there, wasn't
Yeah.
it? I was not giving you the inside line there. Oh, I'm on his wheels.
Oh, I think I landed on you.
You. Go on then, catch me up, because I did.
He didn't provide such a lovely landing surface as I expected.
I did take it easy. Oh. Last lap, innit?
Do another lap. That was clearly unfair. It's hard to apportion the winnings.
Well, yeah. There's a nice camber bit there. If you catch it up, oh, I got hooked on the pipe. Oh, I'm going to miss the ramp.
Oh, I don't know how I fitted through there. That was luck.
Oh, I've done wide there. Right. Oh, donutted.
When you say right, I'm thinking, oh my God, here we go. Something's going to happen soon.
That was close.
It was.
Some questionable cornering, of course. Right, guys, we haven't broke them. They're in one piece. Now, the steering on the red one's a little bit questionable. We'll have to have a look at that. Don't know what's wrong with that, but there's something not right with it. But they're good trucks. These are excellent trucks. Certainly around this track, they're the best. They're the most nimble. they've got the stability. Yeah, the big bumps you've got to be a bit careful on, but it's the best truck we've found for around this Cambridge RC track. So, click on the subscribe button, more videos coming every week. Thanks for watching.